Got my carrots, potatoes, onions, butter in the slow cooker in the crock pot. About to braise the meat, making a pot roast. A little bit on each side. Got our seasoning, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, little bay leaves, vegetable bouillon, Worcestershire sauce. Got our slow cooker. Okay, braising them on all sides. Butter melting. Carrots, potatoes, onions. Almost. Alright. About to start with some of the carrots, potatoes, and onions. Put a little garlic in there too. Alright, let's see. In about 4 hours. About 6 hours, about 2 more to go. This is where we at with it. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is what we call leftovers. Nice and shredded. Smell good. Sauteed. Bay leaves.